Good afternoon all. In lecture 6 notes, we didn't do two problems, and the first problem is solve x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0 if a plus b equal to 1. We can take this a plus b equal to 1 as equation 1. From relation between roots and coefficients of the given equation, we have a plus b plus c plus d equal to 2. So we have a plus b equal to 1, so which implies c plus d equal to 1. We can take this as equation 2. Now this sigma ab, from this equation we have sigma ab is equal to 2. That is sigma ab equal to 2, that is ab plus ac plus ad plus bc plus bd plus cd is equal to 2. AB plus this we can write AC plus AD, we can take out A from here, so this is C plus D. And next one BC plus BD, so we can take out B from that, so B into C plus D plus CD is equal to 2. Implies we know that C plus D is equal to 1. So this is AB plus A into 1 plus B into 1 plus CD is equal to 2. Implies AB plus A into 1 is A, this is A plus B plus CD is equal to 2. And we know that A plus B equal to 1. So which implies AB plus CD is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, since A plus B is equal to 1. This is equation 3. Now we have sigma ABC is equal to minus 1 is equation 4, and ABCD is equal to, this is minus 2, this is equation 5. Equation 3 and 5, if we consider equation 3 and 5, we implies if we consider if AB, CD are two numbers, then their sum is equal to 1 and product is equal to minus 2. If we consider A, B, C, D are two numbers, then sum is equal to 1 and product is equal to minus 2. So numbers are 2 and minus 1. Let AB is equal to 2 and CD is equal to minus 1. So AB equal to 2, we have A plus B is equal to 1, so B is equal to 1 minus A equal to 2. AB equal to 2 means since A plus B is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 minus A. So this is a minus a square is equal to 2, or a minus a square minus 2 equal to 0, or we could write a square minus a plus 2 equal to 0. So a is equal to we have minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. So this is 1 plus or minus b square is 1 minus 4 into 1 into 2. This is 8 by 2. So this is 1 plus or minus root of minus 7 is I root 7 by 2. So this is 2 roots. If a is equal to 1 plus, now so if a is equal to 1 plus I root 7 by 2, b is equal to 1 minus a, which is equal to 1 minus 1 plus I root 7 by 2, is equal to, if we take this as LCM, 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus I root 7, which is equal to 1 minus I root 7 by 2. So these are the a and b are if. So a is equal to 1 plus I root 7 by 2, then b is equal to 1 minus I root 7 by 2. So we got 2 roots. So now we have CD equal to minus 1, that is C into D is equal to 1 minus C is equal to minus 1, since the same C plus D is equal to 1, D is equal to 1 minus C. So we could write C minus C square is equal to minus 1, or C minus C square plus 1 equal to 0, which implies C square minus C minus 1 is equal to 0, implies C is equal to 1 plus or minus b is 1, square root of b square is 1 plus 4 by 2. This means 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. If C equal to the same, if C equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2, then D is equal to 1 minus root 5 by 2, the same arguments. So they are occur in conjugate pairs. So therefore roots of the equation are one plus or minus I root 7 by 2 and 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Next question is, solve the equation 4x cube 4x raised to 4 minus 4x cube minus 21x square plus 11x plus 10 equal to 0 if the roots are in arithmetic progression. So this is a biquadratic equation. There are 4 roots. If 3 roots are in AP, we can take the roots are alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta. If 4 roots are in arithmetic progression, we took the roots are, let the roots be alpha minus 3 beta, alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta and alpha minus 3 beta. Sorry, alpha plus 3 beta. So now we use the relation between coefficient of roots. Sum of roots is equal to alpha minus 3 beta plus alpha minus beta plus alpha plus beta plus alpha plus 3 beta is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1, which implies that is നമുക്ക് ഈ മൈനസ് 3 ബീറ്റയും പ്ലസ് 3 ബീറ്റയും ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും, മൈനസ് ബീറ്റയും പ്ലസ് ബീറ്റയും ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. ബാക്കി ടേം ഈസ് 4 ആൽഫ ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 1, which implies alpha is equal to 1 by 4. Now we can take the product of roots. Product of roots is equal to alpha minus beta into alpha minus 3 beta into alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta into alpha plus 3 beta is equal to the last term 10 by the coefficient of x raised to 4 is 4. That is, we can take the terms alpha minus beta and alpha plus beta together. Then this becomes alpha square minus beta square, and alpha minus 3 beta into alpha plus 3 beta. Then this becomes alpha square minus 9 beta square is equal to 10 by 4. So this is alpha square is, we know that it's 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 all square minus beta square. Again 1 by 4 all square minus 9 beta square is equal to 10 by 4 or 16. 1 by 16 minus beta square into 1 by 16 minus 9 beta square is equal to 10 by 4. We can take the LCM as 16 in each term. So the term becomes 16 into 1 minus 16 beta square into again 16. 1 minus 16 into 9 is 144 beta square is equal to 10 by 4. Now we can multiply and cross multiplication we could do. So this is 1 for we can cancel this. So this is 1 minus 144 beta square minus 16 beta square plus 144 into 16. So we can take a calculator here. So 144 into 16 is equal to 2304. 2304 beta raised to 4 is equal to 16 into 4, 64 into 10, 640. We can simplify this equation. Then this becomes 2304 beta raised to 4 minus 144 minus 16 is 160 beta square plus 1 minus 640 minus 639 is equal to 0. So we have to solve this for beta. So let's put some u is equal to beta square. To solve this thing we can put u is equal to some beta square. So 2304 u square minus 160 u minus 639 is equal to 0. So u is equal to 160 plus or minus b square is 160 all square. So this is 160 into 160 is equal to 25,600. 25,600 minus 4ac. Minus is plus. Plus 4 into 2304 into 639 is equal to 58,89,024. 024 all divided by 2 into 2304 4,608 which is equal to 160 plus or minus, we can take this 1 0 is missing here, we can take 25,600 plus 58,89,024 is equal to, now we can take that root, so 2,432. This is 2,432 divided by 4,608. So this is, we add this vehicle 2,592 by 4,608 and this is minus 2,272 by 4,608. We need a perfect square, so that we need, this is beta square, so this is, if we simplify this one, we will get this as 81 by 144 and this will be minus 71 by 144. Out of this, 81 by 144 is a perfect square, is a square, so we can take that value. So that is u is equal to 81 by 144, so that is beta square is equal to 81 by 144, which implies beta is equal to square root of that 9 by 12. If we simplify this one, we can cancel the common term 3, so this is 3 by 4. So roots are, so we get alpha and beta, so roots are alpha minus 3 beta, alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta and alpha plus 3 beta, which implies alpha is 1 by 4 minus 3 into 3 by 4 is 9 by 4. This is 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Next 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Next 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4. Which implies 1 by 4 minus 9 by 4 is minus 8 by 4. So this is minus 2. 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is minus 2 by 4. This is minus 1 by 2. And 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 4 by 4, which is 1. And 1 by 4 plus 10 by 4 is 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4 is 10 by 4, which is 5 by 2. So these are the roots. രണ്ട് homework കൂടി അതിലുണ്ട്. Solve the biquadratic equation whose roots are homework 3. A, B, C, D 2x raised to 4 plus 13x cube plus 25x square plus 15x plus 9 equal to 0 if A equal to B. This is first നമ്മൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ആദ്യത്തെ പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്ത പോലെ ചെയ്യുക. A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 13 given that A equal to B. So it becomes, we can substitute for B equal to A. So 2A plus C plus D is equal to 13 by 2 minus 13 by 2. അവിടെ നിന്നാണ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. അതുപോലെ നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുന്ന റൂട്ട്സ് A, C, D ആണ്. So that's the method. And for homework 4, determine K and solve the equation 2x raised to 4 minus 15x cube plus kx square minus 30x plus 8 equal to 0 if the roots are in geometric progression. ഇപ്പോൾ geometric progressionലാണെങ്കിൽ we have to take the roots as alpha by 3 beta, alpha by beta, alpha beta and alpha into 3 beta. So we have to get the product as alpha raised to 4 as 4. So this alpha is equal to root 2. Now substitute that value root 2 in the given expression and we will get the value of K. Now solve the equation substituting value of K. That's a method.